Hi, this is a video tutorial for Swift 3D. I'm doing it because I haven't seen very many. Anyway, I'm just going to run you through how to do a quick, nice, cool text. So you just select your text and use this tool. You can scale it right up or right down. Let's put it there. Now, obviously you don't want it to say text, you want it to be whatever you are. So if you just go over here and write, say, for our thing, test, then click here to change the font. For instance, we've got this one. I like this text, this is one of my personal favourites. Just move it around like this. With this tool here, you can choose what direction you want it in, how you want it to face, where you're looking. Then you'll see it's gone a bit blurry and you can't see it very well. That's because of the lighting. So if I just change where the light goes, you can see it a lot clearer now. So you go back onto materials. If you go to glossy, I'll give it a nice glossy look, and go to reflective, put it on the side, make it stand out, and then you can just move the light into whatever best suits the thing. As you can see, but from behind the text is positioned here. You don't see it, but that's where it is. You just move the light around it. Then if you go down to the bevel, you can choose a nice bevel. Just try that one. No, that's not very nice. We'll use that one for now. And then you go back onto materials, just for the purposes so you can see where it is. I'll change it to a different colour so you can see what. So that doesn't go very well. We'll go back to white, and then see it goes there. Just move it back in. Now when you've done this, you'll probably want to do the background in a colour of your choice. So if you go to environments, you'll see it comes up here, but this isn't what you want to use because for some reason it doesn't drag and drop. So what you have to do is click the text, click environment, click colours, and you can choose any colour you want. Go for a nice black here, and you'll see the text just sits in there nicely. Now that you've done that, you've got your text. You might want to add a nice circle or something, whatever gets you. Then click on materials, just click reflective, and then just put it into fade it in. Just move it around wherever you want really. And then if you go up here, this is where they are. Now at the moment that's free and it'll move on its own, like you can move it wherever you want. But if you drag it into this, now it becomes part of this, which means when you go to animate like this, it will move freely with it. It won't just be sat there. Obviously if you want it to sit there, you don't move it into it. You can always move it out. And you see now, when I click play, that moves with it. Now that you've done this, you'll want to export it. So if you go to preview and export, click generate all frames. What it'll do is the movement it takes, it'll put it onto the frames for you to watch. As it's done, just click play, and then you're done. If you've got some of the Adobe software, you can click export files, and you can put it onto there and make it into a movie or whatever you want to use it for. Anyway, that's a quick tutorial on how to use Swift 3D.